Border Security Forces BSF CRPF kumlaba Central Forces sing asidi Assam Rifles command te habdo mayik sen utpa horle.
This is my country. So to be very frank, this is my country. This is India, and I will maintain the territorial integrity of my country.
Machin tiba Kuki singa Assam Rifles commander ka toning ba toramba thong singa dong asidi yaraktre.
Yang pi thamna pugisana sabina chingbo mapam sing oibada Kuki militant singna ngaihak leitana no mai capture ki thok thokiba leirabani. Maduna maram oiduna BSF CRPF Central Forces sing asina thana pokpi maning da lairiba ching sing adu da kakatuna Kuki militant sing adu bu taktok na honaki matama da Kuki nupi singna ikai hangoi ba thaduk laga natta ba mo ong matau kaya sidina tuna Central Forces sing adu bu changhan da ba hona krabasu BSF CRPF na lusing liba Central Forces tim maduna inthina ngak senduna laikrabani BSF officer ga Kuki nam thak to ba myo singa ningai sangana bagi phibamni masida BSF officer sina ma eksing na hairi masi India ni masi ekhoi gi lebani masi ngak sen ma haibasi ekhoi gi ithoni masida kanagumba amatagdagi ayab lobgi mathau tadi haina BSF officer sina mathauna laina phongdori BSF CRPF kumlaba Central Forces sing asidi Assam Rifles ga manade matang sidani manipuri mian phongdok narakliba Assam Rifles ki moong marin tajada ba thong sing ado makhoina tawde habase tadna mek semba hawrakni.
No, we don't have to take consent of anybody. This is my country. This is my country. This is my country. So to be very frank, this is my country. This is India, and I will maintain the territorial integrity of my country. No, you please don't get into confrontation now. No. We will not listen to your this thing. We have been given a mandate. We have been ordered to stay here. We will stay here. Come what may. It's that simple. At least we need to discuss. Now you have to trust us. We don't take orders from local police. We don't take orders from local police. We don't take police orders from army. We have got our own mandate. We are an independent entity. And from the central government we have come.
Why don't you come and discuss with us before?
What? See, that discussion phase has already gone. That discussion has already gone. Today they came. They tried to storm the campus. They tried to break another tier upon break the concertina coils. They entered our campus. They littered our
injured.
Injured. I have also been hit. Why they begging so these laws with you? See, you want to talk? I told yesterday also. You please stay there. You sit there. We will have no objection to anybody. Come here, sit here, talk to each other. Let us understand. This is New Year also.
I just want to ask you, brother. I just want to ask you one thing. Is it because of the pressure from the valley? Or
no, we are not.
We failed.
We don't take orders from anybody.
Just let me complete.
DGP, I don't take orders from DGP also.
We failed.
It is my channel of command.
You know, sir, from which person do you get?
I am taking orders from my DIG. We have got a BSF DIG. Okay, and it is only from the central government, Ministry of Home Affairs, central government. It is directions are from them only. Okay, you got the point. We are not taking orders from anybody. That's all. The rule of law has to be maintained. This is your land. We understand. We fully acknowledge that. This is your land. But please don't get into confrontation.
We are not confront.
No, my boys also hate. Ladies are also, one Mahila constable, the lady constable is also hate. You just understand. They are without, they kept a small family back home. The kids are there.